You jump.
It's going down.
First you put your hands up and then what?
It's
Bend your
Toll.
knees.
and jump.
Woo!
Jeremy. Das sind ja tolle Sprünge, die du machst.
What else can you do?
It's going like that.
Yeah? Yay!
Toll, Jeremy.
Yay!
Put it up and bend your knee and then jump.
Yay! Woo! And then do you run, run, run? No.
Jump.
Stampf, stampf, stampf.
Go like that.
Uh-huh. Do you want to show me how you roll?
It's good like that.
Uh-huh. And then what?
It's cause ready.
Yeah? You want to roll?
Jump.
Oh, no, you want to jump.
Jump.
Okay. Jump.
Jump.
Woo!
The kick goes, but it goes like that.
Uh-huh. That's how you kick?
Back. My right back.
One leg back, one leg back?